How much money could you get from the settlement of an $85 million class action lawsuit against Zoom? Don't get too excited, the answer is probably not much. Hi, my name is Dr. Benfinio, and I usually make Zoom tutorials, but I thought this topic would be interesting to some of my viewers. At this point, it is no secret that the popularity of the Zoom video conferencing platform skyrocketed at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. Shortly thereafter, Zoom started to catch flack for a variety of privacy and security reasons, including sharing data with third-party companies like Facebook and Google, lying about their use of end-to-end encryption, and various issues related to Zoom bombing or unauthorized users joining and disrupting meetings. And if you have been paying attention to updates to the Zoom client over the past year and a half, you may have noticed some changes related to this. For example, there is now a security button that makes it easier to manage what is going on in a meeting. And in the chat window, there is a little message that makes it clearer about who exactly can see your chats. However, those changes were too little too late for some users who filed a variety of lawsuits against Zoom, which I believe were combined into a single class action lawsuit, which you can access here. I will put this link in the description. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so I won't even attempt to weed through all of the legalese in this, but I'll jump to the part you probably care about: how much can you get paid if you were a Zoom user? Now, if you scroll down to the proposed settlement, you'll see that that answer is 0 if you were only using Zoom for a work or government account. So there is an exception here for people who have only registered, used, opened, or downloaded the Zoom Meetings app through an enterprise-level account or a Zoom for Government account. So this only counts if you were using a personal account. The monetary benefits section states that there is a total fund of $85 million. If you had a paid account, you were eligible for either 15% of the money you paid Zoom or $25, whichever is greater. Or if you had a free account, you were eligible to file a claim for $15. So again, do not expect to cash in a huge amount on this. Even if you are one of the people who had Zoom before the pandemic and you were paying for a pro account the entire time over the period the lawsuit covers, which is about 5 years, then I think this 15% rule would net you about $100 since it is greater than the $25, but that is probably the most money you're going to get out of it. So if you want your $15, keep a lookout for information about how to file a claim. Remember that I am not a lawyer and none of this is legal advice. This is just news that I happened to see today and thought my audience on YouTube might be interested in. If you have any questions related to Zoom or other online meeting platforms, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. Thank you.